and welcome to Kelson's Thoughts, where we go where our minds takes us. Fun fact, did you know that adult toys are also called marital aids? Interesting, isn't it? If you knew this prior, comment yes in the comment section. If you didn't, comment no. On that same note, today's topic will be adult toys. So what are adult toys? Or marital aids as we just learned? In layman terms, it is any item that is used to enhance pleasure. The history of adult toys is long, very long. We're talking like 29,000 BC. We had Neanderthals shaping rocks into penises. Although we don't know what they did with those, but nonetheless, it is safe to say that those were the first dildos. So, adult toys is nothing new. In the 1600s, we had French sailors making women out of straws and taking them onto their boats. Shakespeare wrote about it in his plays. A Winter's Tale, you can look it up. He mentioned dildos. So there's nothing new about adult toys. It's just that for some reason, everything relating to sex we kind of make it taboo. Unnecessarily so. Very, very unnecessarily so. It is, and because of that, it makes the whole dynamics of sex and pleasure very, very difficult to tackle. Lack of information leads to unsatisfied women and men. So, are they for you? If you don't have any religious or moral reasons as to not use them, I would say yes. Adult toys are fun. As I said, they are used to enhance pleasure. Some even have medical functions. For example, the penis ring that is used to reduce the effects of erectile dysfunction. And this is a ring that is worn at the base of the penis. They vary. And even these same penis rings, they come in different shapes and sizes. For example, you have some that vibrate. So those are not necessarily used for erectile dysfunction, but they are used for man simply just enhance the experience. The ones that vibrate, sometimes they have a little rabbit ear at the tip, that vibrates. So whenever you're inserting, it will be making contact with the clitoris. Some of the questions you need to ask if you plan to get an adult toy are: one, if you're a woman, you need to ask, is my partner okay with this? If not, you need to talk to them. Secondly, you need to ask, what type of adult toy would I need? And how you'd need to narrow that down. I have an adult toy store, I sell adult toys. So if you come to me and you ask for an adult toy, I would firstly ask you, are you someone that is more geared towards penetration, clitoral stimulation, or a little of both? Because you have some adult toys that are definitely for clitoral stimulation. Some are definitely for insertion or penetration, for a better word to be used. And some do both. For men, you have fleshlights. You have penis rings, as I mentioned. You have penis pumps. These are safe way of giving you very small increases in girth and sometimes length. It is not permanent, it's temporary. I don't like to give misinformation. So, in a nutshell, adult toys are fun. They have been here for a long time and they are here to stay. The adult toy industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Everything relating to sex, matter of fact, is a huge enterprise out there. And if you have any questions towards adult toy, I'm always open and willing to answer any questions. You can shoot those questions to me at my email at kelsonthoughts@gmail.com. You can also go to my Instagram store, ss.sensation, and I'll be more than willing to answer any questions you may have. Or you can ask them in the comment section. I'll also answer them there. Thank you for tuning in. Have a productive day. Have a wonderful night.